Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can transfer files from your iPhone to your laptop. So let's begin the video. Here I have my iPhone and you're going to open any browser. You're going to open the website toffeeshare.com, as we are going to use this website to transfer files. The first thing that it is easy to use, and the second thing is that it is secure, as it is not going to store any of your data on the website server. Instead it is just going to act as an access point. So here you're going to have a select files button. Press on select files. So if you want to transfer your photos, videos to your Windows PC or laptop, you can select photo library. You can directly take photos, videos, or if you have files in your files folder, you can select files from there. So if you don't know, the files folder is this one right here on the top right side. If you select it, if you have any folder or files in this, you can also share using the Toffee Share website. In this video I'm just simply going to select photo library, and I'm just going to select one of this video right here. I'm going to press on add. Due to limitations on iOS, please reopen this window after sending the file link, meaning that you need to reopen the window once the file link has been sent. Here it is going to show you the file name, its size, and the link. So you're just simply going to click on the link and the link is going to be copied, and you're going to share it either using WhatsApp or by email to the PC on which you want to get these files. So I'm just simply going to copy this link and I'm going to send it to my PC using WhatsApp. Here on my PC, here is the link. I'm going to press the link that I just shared from my iPhone. And now it's going to show the file that I shared from the iPhone. I'm going to press on download and the file transfer will begin. Here you can see on the iPhone it is showing the file transfer as well on the Windows PC. So yeah guys, in this way you can share files from your iPhone to your Windows PC wirelessly. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.